guys, this is Pabilonia. Today ay magluluto tayo ng ground beef with spinach. Let's go cooking! We will need ground beef, 1/4 cup chili sauce, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 clove garlic minced, 1 to 2 teaspoons of grated fresh ginger, 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, 2 onions cut into wedges, and 500 grams spinach leaves. In a bowl, let's combine the ground beef, the sweet chili sauce, the soy sauce, garlic, ginger, and cooking wine. Then let's mix it until well combined. Hour, heat a pan with 1 tablespoon cooking oil. Okay guys, when the pan is already hot, we can now put in the ground beef and cook it until so stir lang natin siya guys para maluto. Okay guys, when the meat is already brown like this, we can now add the onions. And stir. At this point guys, pwede natin ilagay ang spinach. Then it's ready to serve. Here's our finished product guys. It's beef with spinach. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to share this with your loved ones. Thank you for watching.